Hello YouTube, how's it going? This is DRH Elucidations with another tutorial. This is actually going to be part 2 in our Xcode C++ Tic-Tac-Toe game tutorial. So, in our last tutorial we made the board. In this tutorial we want to focus particularly on making the place marker logic. So what is that? Basically making the logic for the game to be able to determine where the place markers such as an X or an O should go on your board. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to start off and we're going to create a place marker function here. So this is going to be a true or false function. So we're going to write bool there, short for Boolean. Let's come over here and we'll call this guy place marker. And it's going to take a number, so we'll do an int. Call that guy slot. Right? Jump down here, open up our curly braces. So let's create some more variables here. So we're going to create a row variable here. So and we're going to semicolon that. All right. So that's our row variable. Let's create a column variable here. In Tic-Tac-Toe we have rows and columns, so let's get that established. I need to spell column properly though. There we go. And right there. Alright. So let's get into the actual logic part of it. So let's start off with an if statement here. Alright. Slot modulus 3. So the remainder, looking for the remainder here of this particular variable. So let's write that there. And we'll open this guy up with curly braces again. Alright. So we're going to come over here. So row will equal row. And let's set that to minus 1. Alright. And let's get our column variable into play here. Make that equal to 2. Alrighty, very good. Oh, and I have a habit of forgetting my semicolons, as you know, so let's go ahead here and do that. So let's drop down here and let's get some more information here. So we're gonna put in an else statement here. Gonna refer to that column variable. It's going to be equal to slot remainder modulus 3. Alright. And we're gonna subtract 1 from that. Whoops. Alright, there we go. And let's come over here. And let's continue writing, shall we? So we're going to put in another if statement here. And this is going to be our board. Our board here. We need to open it up with regular brackets this time, regular braces. So we'll do row, encapsulate that, then we'll go over here, we'll do column. Close that off. Okay. Not equal to X. In fact, actually, let's make sure that's, there we go, X. And also, what we're going to do, let's just go over here, and what we can do is we can just copy this little bit here. So obviously we have the X there, but since it's tic-tac-toe, since it is tic-tac-toe, we're gonna also put an O right there as well. And let's open this up with our curly braces now. And let's go ahead here and we'll take this snippet again here. And we'll plop it down here. And that's going to equal our current marker. And then we're going to have that return true, since this is a Boolean function. So we'll do that. And you know what? Let me see here. It's throwing us an error here. Oh, yes. And let's go over here and we'll do, if it's not true, of course with Booleans, if it's not true, then it's obviously false. And a semicolon, of course. There we go. Alright, looks like we took care of our errors there. So that is going to be the place marker function. In the next tutorial, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up making the logic for if you win the game, right? Because with tic-tac-toe, you've got to have a winner. So stay tuned for part 3 of our tutorial series here. And of course, if you like what you're seeing here, please do feel free to share this video with others, to like it, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification icon for when part 3 comes out. So yes, please stay tuned. Take care.